nga po pala ako para kay Uncle. Uncle, Uncle, I am here. Crown me, I am here. Yun lang po.
Another screening this coming June 7, and after the screening, it's direction for Sashi. So, but on the first
thank you, Yasha, for understanding.
Screening, we will only choose 11 aspiring candidates. So
They will choose 11 lang daw today.
Not only Miss Grand Philippines that we're going to crown
Hi, Jeff.
on July 13. We also have, of course, the Reina Hispano-Americana, and of course the Miss Tourism World. So there are 3 crowns that we're going to at stake on July 13. So I hope among all of these 16 lovely aspiring candidates,
hi, Jeff.
we can get
yes, Christian, I know si Herlene.
So far, thank you, girls. All of you are
hello, TikTok.
Thank
you for watching from Saudi Arabia.
Are qualified to be the candidates of
wala pa kasi may final screening pa ulit on June 7.
But we have to choose from the 10 down to 11, additional 1. So we're going to announce the top 11. But the others who are not chosen, we have another competition in October for Miss World Philippines. So you still have a big chance to get the Miss World Philippines and Miss Eco International and another crown for October. That will be in October. So this time, thank you, and thank you so much, lovely girls. And don't lose hope, because I'm sure that's only the starting of your journey. And huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Just chase your dreams. And I'm sure sooner or later, you will reach also your dream to represent.
Yes, meron pang chance na mag-apply after this batch. That will be on June 7.
Thank you for your participation. And in a while, we're going to announce the top 11. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Arnold. So there you have it. Say good day to you guys. June 7 for our second screening, and we hope to see all of you.
Yes, hindi kasali si Celeste dito.
Alright, Philippines, are you ready for our top 11? And so, in no particular order, as I call your name, please proceed down here below here on stage. Alright, first in, we have applicant number 7, EJ Vergara.
Up. Diba na ilaw eh.
Alright, next up, we have applicant number 3, Rona Lopez.
Ay, ano
Middle,
punta?
have your photos taken. Alright. Joining the top 11 list is applicant number 15, Shannon Campbell.
Shannon Campbell made it. Yes. Shannon right. Shannon right.
Joining the list as well is applicant number 1, Jaira Panday. Congratulations, applicant number 4, Gabrielle Ronstrode. Alright, 5 down, 6 more to go. We also have applicant number 5, Michelle Arceo. Going down here, applicant number 11, Carla Gomez. You can now breathe. Applicant number 8, Queen of Cuba.
Yes, sila na yung final candidates for this batch of screening. Meron pang isang batch on June 7.
Philippines applicant number 10, William Goldman. Enjoy your moment as you are in applicant number 9, Maria.
Oh!
And of course, last but definitely not the least, and so
Thank you mga ka-crown. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you guys.
Okay, and how was it? When you were, when you haven't been chosen yet?
Medyo kinakabahan ako kasi I really want to be part of Miss Grand. Pero luckily, when they announced my name, I was so happy about it.
And then when it was, when ALB said that there will be 3 crowns at stake, anong reaction?
Of course, I'm very, very happy for it kasi we got a lot of chances of winning another crown to represent our country in an international stage.
And of course, you have new sisters.
Yes.
So, do you look forward to, Do you look forward to bonding with them?
I'm gonna have a new sisterhood to share my future and to have new memories with them.
Herlene, finally, eto na, ang tagal bago mo sinabi. Kasi noon, sabi mo may mga inaayos pa, hindi mo pa masabi. But now, here you are, you're one of the first 11 candidates chosen. So, ano ba talaga yung inayos at medyo natagalan? At tapos biglang nandito ka na ngayon.
Actually, yung taping po ng magandang nila. Kasi konti na lang po yung taping days namin. So, nakiusap lang po kami sa GMA na isingit po namin itong Miss Grand dahil sobrang, ito po yung ini-aim ko talagang crown. Gagalingan ko po dito, gagawin ko po yung best ko. Kung hindi ko po nagawa last year, dito po dodobay ko po yung Grand.
So, how do you feel to be with this? Siyempre, like Michelle and Shannon, mga hindi na rin bago sa pageantry. How does it feel to be to have them as your sisters in the pageant?
Feeling ko po, marami po akong matututunan sa kanila dito. Sobrang narinig nyo naman po the way kung paano sila magsalita. Tapos kung paano yung prim and proper.
Mm-hmm. And Shannon and Michelle, how does it feel to have Herlene? Of course, we know this an actress. She's leading this new series, Magandang Dilag. How does it feel to have her as one of your sisters?
Actually, I'm very, very lucky to have her as my new pageant sister. And I really can't wait to share my pageant journey with Miss Grand. Kasi alam niyo, she's an inspiration to a lot of young girls, especially in the pageant industry.
Yes, how about you, Michelle?
Me, I'm super happy that you're here. I've been wanting to be here for quite a while. I'm a little bit of a fan, so I'm just grateful that you're here. We get to experience this journey together, make new memories, especially the sisterhood is what's most important.
Ano masasabi mo, Herlene?
Yeah. Thank you so much. Kahit konti lang yung natindihan niya. Sarap nilang pakinggan, no?
So, halos magkasunod the first 1 month yung 1 month and the coronation night is here. At ito naman, Herlene, almost 1 month na lang din papalabas na yung Magandang Dilag. So, parang ang daming ganap sa buhay mo. Anong nararamdaman mo?
Para sa akin po, kasi pag nawawalan ako ng ginagawa po ng trabaho, feeling ko nagkakasakit po. So, the more na may pumapasok po sa akin, blessings po yan. So, gagampanan ko po, nagpapasalamat ako everyday. Mapapagod pero hindi ako susuko. Lalaban po ako ang lalaban hanggang may mapasaya.
Sino ang mga, who would you like to thank? Dito sa nangyayari na to, sa pagiging candidates nyo sa Miss Grand, are there people that you want to say thank you to, Michelle?
I would like to thank my friends and families, my supporters, and most of all, my team. They created me to the queen that I am today and helped me through many, many years. And I want to give a special shout out to Pro Media for really investing in me and believing in me, because I've really worked so hard to get to this moment. And without them, I don't think I'd be able to succeed the way that I am.
Yan, Berlin, sino yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan?
Siyempre, una si Lord, si nanay, pamilya ko, si Sir Wilbert, at lahat ng mga sumusuporta po sa akin. Kasi kung hindi po dahil sa kanilang lahat, walang ako. Kaya papatuloy ko po na mag-inspire lahat ng ibang tao para gawin po nila yung hindi naman totally gayahin ko po ako. Gusto ko lang po maging inspirasyon po nila na walang susuko sa lahat ng
So, anong nararamdaman mo ngayon? Ito na, first day mo as a candidate.
Excited po ako na sobrang happy kasi may panabago na naman po akong friends at sisters. Ayan. Tapos, panibagong journey na naman po ito at titignan ko po lahat ng, gagawin ko po lahat ng makakaya ko. Also, para po sa lahat ng sumusuporta po sa akin.
Okay, and Shanna, who would you like to?
Well, first is my mother, kasi si mother talaga ang nag-insist na mag-join ako for another pageant. And also, my team Caloocan who has been there for me since day one. And also with my advocacy. Very, very thankful.
How are you preparing?